Hi there, today's walk is at the Memorial State Conservation Area. I'm going to walk down to Moonee and Ghosties Beach and back. It's a journey about 6 kilometres and it's fairly easy going. There should be plenty to see along the way, so let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. The walk starts at Staple Point Road on the Moonee Beach Track. It's around about 2 kilometres to the bottom of the hill. It's a fairly gradual, easy slope down the hill. When I first came here about 4 years ago, this housing development was only just getting started. It's come a long way. Here's our first view of Moonee Beach from about halfway down the track. It's a great view. The arrow points the way to the beach. It's not far from here, it's about 200 metres. Moonee Beach is about 600 metres wide, and there's some good waves at the northern end of the beach for the surface. We're heading south towards Flat Rock Point and Ghosties Beach. We'll explore Flat Rock Point on the way back. The cliff face makes a spectacular backdrop to Ghosties Beach. One of the two caves has the wave still lapping at its opening, but we should be able to get into the other one. We'll go in through the side entrance. Setting up for a long exposure. Should look good. And now just a handheld pick. It's around about 400 metres back to Flat Rock Point. It's a beautiful day, a little bit warmer than I expected, but there's a bit of a breeze to help keep us cool. There's just a bit of a gentle wave out here near the tip of Flat Rock Point. It's not hard to work out how it's got its name. It's a point and it's a flat rock. Flat Rock Point. There's a bit of a rock overhang as I make my way up to the top of the point. Quite the view. You get an appreciation for the size of the rock platform from up here. The rock platform goes all the way around the point. Here's a view of Flat Rock Point from the adjacent rock platform. Time to leave the point and make my way back to the beach. It's gotten pretty warm and the water looks so inviting. There's a track at the northern end of Moonee that goes all the way to Catherine Hill Bay. That's a walk for another day. It's time to head up the hill. Sure looks a lot steeper on the way up. Just about there. I made my way back up to the Snapper Point Road where the car was parked. Today's walk was around about 6 kilometres and took me around about 4 hours to complete. There was a variety of things to do along the way. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.